Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I was recently in the market for a pair of durable loafers that I could wear with a lot of different outfits, and that is exactly what I found in these knitted loafers from Dogese. These loafers come in so many different colors and sizes from 5.5 to size 13. I got mine in a 7.5 and they fit me perfectly, and with all the different color options they have, I know you're going to find the perfect pair for you. I love how easy these are to slide on and off. They have an extremely durable and flexible sole with lots of tread, and I found that I'm able to wear these comfortably all day. I also like that they're made out of a breathable material so my feet didn't get too hot on long summer days. I was impressed by all of the different outfits I could wear this with. I've worn it casually with just a pair of leggings, and I've dressed them up with a skirt or a pair of slacks. So if you're looking for a comfortable and great looking pair of shoes to pair with lots of different outfits, then you're going to love these loafers from Dogese. And that's my point of view.